everyone. Boy, do I have a really cool template to show you today. This is the Martelli bone pillow template, and we actually have it in 3 sizes. And this one here is our large, and we have a small, and then we have an extra large. This is a fantastic project that you can do, and it's quick and it's easy, and everybody absolutely loves making the bone pillow. So it's just a simple template right here. And what is so great about all of our templates, they're made out of this really hard HDPE plastic, but they all have our brown fabric on the back. So when I set this down on our fabric, it's going to grip it and hold it so that I can easily grab my rotary cutter and do all of my cutting. This one actually has a fold right here, a line that says fold. So if I was to set this on the fold, I would easily be able to cut out all the pieces that I need. To make the bone pillow, you actually have to cut out 3 different pieces. I have some examples here for you to see. Let me show you the bone pillow. This one is the large. Look how fun this is, absolutely fun. Great project to you'll have at your home to put your head on, you rest your arms with. I mean, you know, it's just, there's so many uses for the bone pillow. But the small one, let me show you this one. How cute and adorable the small pillow is, and here's our template for the small one. Also has that same brownie material on it. You literally just cut out 3, put them together, sew them all up, and then just stuff them. They make great toys for your pets. I'm going to do a little squeak. So this one just had a little squeaker in it. Great for the kids, absolutely fun. But we have the large one. Let me show you the extra large. Extra large is a little bit different. It's big, but it also has a fussy cut window, so that if you had something that you really wanted to be seen in the fabric, you can center this onto the fussy cut window and place it underneath there, and then you lay the template on top, remove the fussy cut window, and then cut it all the way around, because whatever you had in that window is going to show up when you when you do all your cutting. And I'm going to show you the large one. Look at this. It's so big, but it's perfect. Have the grandkids over, have a couple of these on the floor. They can have a movie night. I mean, it's just a lot of fun to make the bone pillows. They go together real quick. They make great gifts. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Thank you so much. Be sure to pick yours up today. Bye-bye.